guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on shift lock mode in Knockout for mobile, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to turn on shift lock mode for Knockout, all you have to do basically is go over to your settings, number one, and you have to make sure that the shift lock switch is turned on. If the shift lock switch is turned on, you guys can go over to the step 2, which is going to be, you want to look for the shift lock icon around your screen, because some games do provide that option with a shift lock icon. However, if the shift lock icon is not there, what you can instead do is go over to your settings, and what you guys can do is simply go over to your settings and put your camera mode to classic. Once you go ahead and set your camera mode to classic, what you guys can do after that is slowly pinch your screen inward so your camera gets closer. You don't want to go full screen, but once you basically pinch it enough, it will basically act as a shift lock mode. So you guys can try doing that. So that should be pretty much it. That is how to use shift lock mode in Knockout for mobile. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.